free apps to use for your online business, reasons for using them, important tips, and a big warning. One app that I use all the time in my business is Canva. Because I use Canva to create great thumbnails for my videos on my YouTube channel so that I can attract new viewers and new customers into my business. And I also use it to create awesome designs for my Redbubble web shop. And I'm an affiliate for Canva. So why is this such a great app to use? Well, I'll tell you why. Reason number one is that you can use Canva to create great designs for any print-on-demand platform that you should choose. If you want to start an e-commerce print-on-demand business, you can use Canva to create your designs. You can also use Canva to create digital products that you can make money from. Here's an important tip. Make sure you know the recommended pixel sizes of the designs on the specific platform where you're working or where you're going to upload your designs, so that you make sure that they look great once you upload them. If you're on Amazon Merch, Printify or Redbubble, they're all going to have different recommendations. So make sure to check that out. Reason number two why Canva is such a great app to use in your business is that everything is already there. The fonts, the shapes, the elements, the photos, the videos that you might want to use. And you don't have to be an artist. It's all there at your convenience should you need it. So you don't have to be an artist, you don't have to be an experienced creator, or you don't have to be a designer. You can use Canva and make great material anyway. So reason number three why I love Canva so much is that I'm an affiliate for Canva, promoting Canva on my platforms and with my affiliate link, making commission when sales happen. So that's why I love Canva so much. It helps me be creative and I earn money from sales. One app that I use all the time is the dropshipping app Redbubble. It is so easy to create new designs and upload to Redbubble and start selling products. And why is this such a great app for your business? Well, I'll tell you why. And I'll reveal the top selling product on Redbubble right now. Reason number one is that you only need Redbubble. You don't need both Printify and Etsy to get up and running with your web shop. You just need the Redbubble platform. Because in Redbubble you can do all of it. You can set up your web shop storefront, you know, with your profile picture, your banner, a description about your business. And you can select the products that you think your audience will like. And then you just create designs in Canva and upload them to those products. And voila, you can sell them. Reason number two is that Redbubble will take care of everything for you. You don't have to market your products. Redbubble will display your products in front of their audience should they find it suitable. You should, of course, point your audience to your products also. But if you don't, you can still make sales in Redbubble. Just as long as you tag your products with accurate keywords for Redbubble to show them to their audience. Reason number three is that you can get quick sales so fast with Redbubble. I mean, within hours of uploading my first design, I made my first sale. And I'm not an artist, and you don't have to be either. And as you progress on the platform with your designs and your products, the more products you have on your web shop, the more sales you will make. Important tip though, here is the top selling product type or product category of Redbubble. Listen carefully. So stickers are one of the best selling products in Redbubble. So when you upload a design, make sure to make a separate file where you put your design several times in one page. Then you upload that as a separate sticker file. That means that you are selling a sticker pack. Instead of just one sticker for your audience, you're selling maybe 5 in one purchase. And that is the top selling product category. Oh, a big warning about Redbubble. You have to be careful not to create anything that has violence, sexual, or is copying other brands. But I'm sure you can stay away from that. Otherwise, you'll be cut off from the platform. So once someone buys a product, you get an email saying that there is a purchase going on. And once the product is printed and sent to the customer, you don't have to do anything. You get a notification that commission is on its way. Easy as pie. So how great is that? Smash a like if this is giving you value. Much appreciated. Thank you. One app that I use all the time in my business is YouTube Studio. And why is this such a great app? Well, I'll tell you why. If YouTube is part of your business strategy, then this app should be your go-to. So reason number one is that in YouTube Studio, you can keep track of everything that has to do with your videos. The amount of views, your amount of subscribers, the click-through rate on each video, and you can really see how your videos are performing so that you can base your next decisions related to your business on that information. And if you quickly want to change something like a description or a title of a video, you can do that instantly. That's reason number 2. So while you're on the go, you're on the move, you're realizing that you need to change something on a video, you can do that in the app. Reason number 3 why YouTube Studio is so good is that you can communicate with your community on your YouTube channel through the app. So you can post community posts with polls, texts, videos, etc. and keep in touch with your audience. And also make sure that you are creating the videos that your audience is longing, dying to watch. This will help boost your business. And reason number 4 for this app to be so good for your business is that you can follow your AdSense progress in there. Once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning on ads that other brands place on your videos, you can check your income from AdSense right there. Next, watch this video.